Nature, the greatest engineer of our planet. Did you know that some of the most advanced technologies we use today are inspired by nature? For millions of years, evolution has been perfecting designs that we are only just beginning to understand and replicate. Biomimicry is the practice of looking to nature for solutions to human problems. It's about understanding how organisms have adapted to their environments and applying those principles to engineering and design. Nature has already solved many of the challenges we face. Think about the gecko's ability to climb walls, or the efficient aerodynamics of a bird's wing. These are lessons waiting to be learned. Airplanes, for example, were inspired by the wings of birds. The Wright brothers carefully studied how birds soar and glide, and they applied those principles to their flying machines. Even Velcro, that everyday fastener, was inspired by the way birds stick to clothing. A Swiss engineer noticed how birds clung to his dog's fur and developed a revolutionary new way to fasten materials. By continuing to study and learn from nature, we can unlock even more innovative solutions. Biomimicry holds the key to creating sustainable and efficient technologies for the future. Want to learn more about the amazing ways nature inspires innovation? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment with your favorite example of biomimicry. Let's explore the genius of nature together.